Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the fastest and the easiest way to collect NFT upgrades in Crypto Miner Tycoon. So NFT upgrades in Crypto Miner Tycoon can boost your mining efficiency. It can increase your profits and unlock exclusive in-game perks. So the quickest way to collect these NFTs is by participating in in-game events and challenges. There are many events rewards players with NFT upgrades for completing the specific mining tasks, hitting the profit milestones, or ranking high on the leaderboards. So another effective method is purchasing NFT upgrades from the in-game marketplace or by trading with the other players as well. There are some upgrades that are limited edition, so you can keep an eye on the special drops and promotions. Now, if the game offers staking and daily login rewards, you need to make sure that you claim them consistently. There are some NFT upgrades that are distributed as random rewards to the active players. Also, check if the developers have social media giveaways or collaborations where they distribute NFTs for free. So if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and share this video with your friends and subscribe for more tips. I will see you in the next one.